Is absolutely pouring over here. There's been quite a bit of that this year. He was here this morning, dumped off a load of sand to fill in the areas that needed topping up. He said if it's just showering, that they will still work, but it's so frustrating. I've been waiting now for over a year for them to do this stuff, and it was supposed to be done early in the year. There's the palace sand. The weather's good for the plants and for the environment. Not so much for laying sand today. He seems to think that this is going to stop at 11. I don't see any signs of that. Jason came over, they topped up, or his men topped up the sand, and I absolutely love it. This is going to be great. This is just beautiful. Over here, I put landscape cloth underneath, so I don't think I'm going to get any weeds coming through here, but hey, this is the woods. So they topped this up on this side here, which was low. So excited about that as well. And topped up over here too. I don't want it to go into the garden. And initially I thought the sand is really high because those boulders are about 8 inches in height plus. But when it rains, this is going to settle, and as we walk on it, as you can see, it'll settle. So I've been calming myself down. But look at this. This area is going to be all sand. Oh my goodness, I can't even begin to tell you. So really excited. They also topped this up here a bit. There was some extra, so I came here and built this up because there was a lot of washout, and although they filled some up, it wasn't sufficient. So could still use some right there, but I'm okay with it. Eventually I'll get rid of these little 4 things here, but for now they're going to stay. So I'll go above and I will show you. So there you go. Wow. Wow. This is great. And then maybe at the end of next year or early the following spring, I will get that area done with the sand too. Just up to that stump and that tree. So that'll be exciting. So it is sand. So you do get little feet filled with sand when they're coming back. So if you want the sand out here, the sand is also going to be inside. Well, I'm going to go in. Elizabeth's going to come in the morning, and Jason's worker, Devin, is going to come to fix the base for the deck there. So I ended up leveling this, found a couple of really nice rocks here, which I'm obviously going to use. I see that the battery is low, so I leveled this off. I am so excited that I did this. It's been here for 3 years now, and it's about time. So it does give us a little bit of land over there. That's all soil, so I don't know how that's going to pan out. I would love to get this just up to there and the bunkie cleared up. Most of the trees have been pruned. There are some there that I'm not sure is on our property, but there's a little bit over there. But I'd love to rake this and just move all the larger twigs over here to build up this area, because I want to build this up. So we've got lots of this type of wood, so we'll continue to pile it up here, and I want to use those big rocks over there up here just to line between these two trees. But over here I'd like to build it up so that we use that wood across here as filler, and we'll continue to pile up the back like we do with that big dip.